Okay, you guys, we're gonna get a little bit of a spring shower here. It really feels good though. This is what the neighbors look like. This is the patio. This is somebody who is obviously showing the property in my time slot, but that's okay. I'm a forgiving person. Look. So it's a narrow street. It's kind of tucked back away on the east side of April Sound. I mean, it is a very small lot, so your yard maintenance would be really easy here. I don't know what type of fencing is allowed in between these, but you can see they're zero lot lines. If you can see that. Sorry for the glare, but I'll take a really good video in the back. Oh, there's an old man walking his dog. I'm just gonna walk in and wow. Oh, maybe they had a puppy. Closed lots of deals with her. She's very sweet. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like when you walk in. The door, the foyer. The floors are in nice ceramic tile. Hello. And I'll walk you through the kitchen. Okay, let's head upstairs. Let me find some lights for us. I hear the puppy. Are you kenneled, puppy? Okay. Good sized bedrooms. We call those accordion closets. Original carpet, not a big deal though. I'm not gonna lie, this has a little bit of an older smell. Kind of smells like my Aunt Dorothy's house. She was like 5'8". Sweetest woman in the world. She baked angel food cakes. Bathroom. Gotta love carpet in the bathroom. Good linen closet. Attic. And I can't get to this. Yes, I can. Really hot. It's 85 degrees here today. Okay, let's go check out the kitchen a little more. Okay. Could have sworn I heard that dog upstairs. Now this smells really good. This smells like apple cinnamon. Oh, it's a nice big pantry. Oh, okay. I apologize if you can hear my phone ringing. Okay, it's a tricky pantry. Okay. Under the stairs, bathroom. Okay. Oh, the laundry is bigger than I expected it to be. That's nice. This smells like a dead cat. Sorry, not sorry. Original appliances, they work fine, is what they say. Oh, pretty clean. Nice, nice. These are original cabinets that they've had repainted. They did a good job. This is new. 10-year limited parts warranty. And the fridge. Now the good part. Here's our master. Nice tall ceilings. This is the master closet. A lot of these houses on Gulfview and around these streets, the floor plan is the same. This is huge, massive. So I feel like I've been in, I don't know if I've been in this one before, but I feel like I've been in all of them. Okay. I've definitely been in the one next door with the red porch. Oh, the peppy steps. If there was a dog up there and I didn't see it, then I am blind. Okay, so 2 ACs. They look like they're in pretty decent shape from here. Oh man, you guys, it's gorgeous. So 105 is right there. You might be able to hear the traffic a little bit, but it's not bad at all. You can tell it's pollen season down here. We've all been sneezing. Oh, there's the puppy. I assume. Oh my goodness, I'll check on it. And this is their outdoor entertaining. This is it's seen better days, you guys. They painted it, but it needs to be treated or something. Well, it's pretty sturdy. Okay. This doesn't, oh, it's not centered the right way. Okay, that's not gonna open. Smoker, propane. Wow. Wow, it's really pretty. Okay, I have to check on the puppy. Hi, puppy. Oh my God, is that a statue? Don't judge me for this. Lord. Well, anyway. This has just not been my day. I even called somebody David earlier. His name's not David at all. Oh man. Wow. Looks pretty good. To be honest, like it needs pressure washing. And it just needs some love. Some of the wood just needs to be replaced. Man, it's a great spot though. I'm not sure if I mentioned this or not, but April Sound does have a $68 a month mandatory social membership. That's actually quite a bit lower. Gotta see the master bath. $68 a month for a social membership is actually really good here. Bentwaters is $170 a month. Oh, here's some mowing. Oh, these are nice. It smells like my grandma after she used to come back from the salon. Someday when I'm old, I hope I'm an old lady who just goes to the salon once a week to get her hair done. Where is that light switch? This has got to be automatic. Sorry, I don't mean to make you guys dizzy. Just wanted to walk back through, take one more glance at the kitchen. See, I'm not crazy. Like, just gotta laugh at myself. Okay, I'm gonna upload this and send it your way. Thanks, you guys.